Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products in our three-rail O-Gauge hobby. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Menards has added a new Santa Fe black bonnet boxcar to its popular line of 40-foot boxcars. The cars are available now for $24.99 each or $84.96 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing an all-new 2026 Premier O-scale American crane and matching 60-foot flat car in 7 different schemes during the fall of 2026. Each will be sold separately and available in 2 unique car numbers. Varieties include Pennsylvania, U.S. Army, Maine Central, Chesapeake and Ohio, Canadian National, Chicago Northwestern, and BNSF. The cars are expected to ship to MTH authorized retailers beginning in September 2026. The suggested retail price for the crane cars is $119.95 each, while the flat cars are priced at $79.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-scale 440 steam locomotive in Monon colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. The locomotive can be complemented with 64-foot woodside passenger cars in the same scheme. Both locomotives and cars will be packaged separately, and each will be offered in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2026. The early order price for the locomotive is $944.96. The 4-car passenger set is $449.96. The 2-car add-on set is $224.96, and the single additional coach is $112.46. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued Rail King O-scale lighted billboard featuring Bob's Country Bunker.
What kind of music do you usually have here?
Oh, we got both kinds. We got country and western.
For Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The billboard will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2026. The early order price is $44.99. And available now for your bookshelf is the William R. Dewey Jr. collection of steam locomotive negatives 1936 to 1940 by Byron Babish. This book includes 274 photos taken by the noted railroad photographer in the late pre-war period. While most of the photos are taken in Detroit and around the Great Lakes region, subjects from around the United States are also included. And while you're out chasing Union Pacific Big Boy number 4014 this year, make sure you're wearing the right gear with his great collection of shirts, hats, and hoodies from Daylight Sales. Follow the link in the video description for more information. And stop by our new Original Multimedia landing page and check out the latest videos from this and our other affiliated channels like Toy Train Tips and Tricks and the Locomaniac channel. Plus, find links to all of the kind sponsors who make these videos possible. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, so be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so that you never miss an update. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.